Hey there, it's Todd and Wendy, and we just want to take a quick moment here to give a shout out for Mike Dillard and his program Richer Every Day, which is absolutely awesome.
It is, and we've actually taken some of Mike's courses in the past and have had great success and love them. So, yeah.
So the whole idea of passive income is exactly where we're at. We want to increase our passive income, and Mike is so well informed and well connected that we thought we better take this course and learn more about what our relationship with money is really like. And then let's take advantage of Mike's contacts because he knows where to put your money to grow it. In fact, years ago, Mike, I took your first course on that whole financial thing. And to this day, I'm still investing in one of the recommendations that you made.
That's awesome. And that is just it. You don't recommend anything you haven't done yourself. So that's why we trust you and appreciate all you're doing in this course.
Really want to recommend that you check it out because Mike promises you some things in there that are pretty mind-blowing as far as what's going to happen as a result of taking this course. And you owe it to yourself. There is absolutely nothing to lose. You cannot lose if you'll invest in yourself and in Mike Dillard's Richer Every Day. Go for it.